Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL, which closed the week on January 12th at a price of $61. And so we can see that here with this red candle on the day, went down a little over 0.57% on the day. But I do think that there are a number of good bullish things about the chart. One is that following this uptrending channel that the price was in for, let's see, going back until the end of October, it did break down from that, breaking to the downside, which is not surprising. Uptrending channel, we would expect that to break to the downside. It does look like it bounced right around this level here that I've marked at 57.29, which had served previously as support over here and beginning with this touch point here on August 18th. And so following that near test of that level, we got a nearly 3% up candle on the day, and then we have seen this sideways consolidation. While the shading that I have drawn there does look like it is uptrending, that was just kind of an auto fit. The price action does look to be horizontal with the, let's see, open on January 12th being $61.80, which is right around the close on January 8th, which was $61.74. So pretty flat around that level. It does seem like key level to break above, and it does also look like it has been respecting this downside right around $60.25, the bottom part of that flag. And so I could see with this consolidation here, this bullish flag, I could see this being the beginning of it getting ready to break out of this falling wedge that I've gone over in the previous videos. And so I could see that happening in the near future, perhaps next week. It is a shortened week though, so possible there will be less trading. We might see some more consolidation, but if we do see a pickup on volume, I could definitely see a breakout from not only this wedge that I pointed out, but this downtrending level of resistance. There is another thing that does stand out to me as being potentially pretty bullish, and that is that this looks like it could be a left shoulder. This looks like it could be a head, and it's possible we have a little baby shoulder right over here, a right shoulder, and so that would be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and so that is a bullish sign. And so with that, let's see, I'm just going to do a measurement from the top of the head, or in this case, since it is inverse, the bottom of the head, going up to that neckline. That represents about 27% move, or a move of about $14. And so if we take that measurement, bring it back over to the neckline where the shoulder is, that would bring price up to right around $76. And so actually just above that level, I have this line marked at $76.50, corresponding to the highs over here at the end of July 2023. And so I could see that if there is a breakout from this trend line, which is the neckline, and also from this falling wedge, we could see notable upside of approximately $14 going back to $76.50. However, there is one catch to this. If we do look at this left shoulder, it does look like it has kind of a baby peak right here, a little peak there. And so I'm wondering if this baby shoulder that we're seeing here is actually just kind of a mirror image of this one, and we will see a retest of what will be a parallel to this shoulder. And so if I get the parallel drawing tool and just connect, roughly connect these two highs, and then draw that to the shoulder here, the peak of that shoulder, that gives us this parallel channel. And so I could see if this is a kind of fake out shoulder, kind of similar to this little thing that we have here, I could see a retracement to the bottom of this channel, which would be at a price of around $52.20, which coincides with not only filling this top gap, but also this bottom gap. So that does make me a little concerned that this baby shoulder could be a fake out shoulder and that we do get a drop down to this. However, I do see that this is a bullish flag, a bull flag consolidation. And so I am probably more on the side of this breaking to the upside, but I am a little cautious about it because of this parallel channel, because of this bigger shoulder over here. We could be seeing price coming down to $52 before we see it going to $76.50. So something to consider. But yeah, overall, I think it does look pretty bullish. But those are just my thoughts. And if you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.